Ever wondered how the intricate world of 3D illustration and AI images comes to life? What if you could be the wizard behind the curtain, crafting these stunning visuals with just a few simple steps? Today, we're diving deep into the process, breaking it down and making it accessible for everyone. To start, we need a prompt. Prompts are the seeds of creativity. They could be a single word, a phrase, or even an abstract concept. For instance, a city in the clouds or lost in a forest of giant mushrooms. These prompts can ignite the spark of imagination, setting the stage for the creation of a 3D illustration. Now, let's get into the meat of the process. After selecting your prompt, the next step is conceptualization. This involves visualizing your prompt in 3 dimensions. Imagine the colors, the shapes, the textures, and how they interact with each other. This is your canvas. It's time to let your creativity run wild. With the concept in hand, it's time to transform your vision into a 3D model. Using software like Blender or SketchUp, you can start creating the basic shapes of your illustration. Don't worry about the details yet. Focus on the overall structure. Next, you add the details. This is where your illustration starts to come alive. Add textures, colors, and lighting to your model. These elements add depth and realism to your illustration, making it more visually appealing. Now, you might be wondering, where does AI come into play? Well, AI images are created using a similar process, but with an added twist. Instead of creating the images manually, you use AI software to generate them. You feed your prompt into the software, and the AI does the heavy lifting, creating a unique image based on your prompt. To summarize, creating 3D illustrations and AI images involves a few key steps: selecting a prompt, conceptualizing your idea, creating a basic 3D model, adding details, and in the case of AI images, using AI software to generate the image. Remember, the key to creating compelling 3D illustrations and AI images is to let your imagination run free. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries. The world of 3D illustration and AI images is a playground for your creativity, so go ahead, pick a prompt, and start creating. Who knows, your next illustration could be the next trending image on Instagram.